In the video for today, I'm going to show you two methods through which you could try and get your suspended Pinterest account unbanned. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your Pinterest account is banned. I'm very sorry about that, but my friend, let me be very honest with you. Pinterest is another social media application that has become very stringent about their policies. So if the Pinterest algorithm has a slight suspicion on your account, they're just going to go ahead and suspend it and send you a notification. There are thousands of accounts that have been banned, maybe wrongfully or for no reason, but according to me, an account is not banned for no reason. Maybe you're just, spamming, or maybe you're posting incorrect pins that are inappropriate to the Pinterest community. So that's the reason why maybe these guys just banned your account or suspended your account. So basically, the only thing that you could do is send in an appeal, and I'm going to show you two methods to send in the appeal to try and get your account unbanned. Now, the first method is to log into your Pinterest account, and after you log into your Pinterest account, you're going to see a notification that tells you your account has been suspended. So towards the bottom, you're going to get a link to connect with customer support. So you could just click on that link, and then you could fill up a form, and then you could send in the appeal to them. And within 3 to 5 working days, you're definitely going to get a response from Pinterest. Now, what happens is that since more and more accounts are being banned by Pinterest, there may just be a delay in response. So if there's a delay, if you're seeing that these guys are not responding within like 5, 10, 15 days, then you could adapt the second method, which is connecting with them directly through their official website. So you could get onto pinterest.com, and you scroll right down to the bottom of the page, click on Help Center. Once you're here, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on Contact Us. You get directed to this page. Scroll down a bit, click on Appeals, or click on this plus sign, select this option, Appeal Account Suspension. Scroll down, click on Continue, and then you fill up this form and send it to them. Okay, put in your first name here, put in your last name, put in your username for the account, put in the email address of the suspended account. Do you have access to this email? Obviously, you should have access. Click on Continue, and then you need to put in a message out here. If you think your account was wrongfully suspended, just put in a subject line like this: my account was suspended for no reason. Then you could put in a description, something like this: hi team, I'm a loyal user of Pinterest, and today my account was suspended for no reason. Okay, please could you look into the issue and help me by getting my account unbanned or reinstated, or do let me know what could I do to make it right. Regards, your name. Click on Continue, and then review and send it. Now once you send this message, it is going to go to support, and they're going to review your account and get back to you. Again, within 5 working days, they should get back to you. If they do not, you could send them another appeal. And if you haven't really done anything wrong, if you think you are absolutely clean, I'm very much sure these guys are going to, reinstate your account. Not to worry. If you need any further assistance, if you think I could give you some suggestions to try and help you to get back your account, I'm always there to back you up. Just send an email, or you could post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.